constant multiple rule says that if you take the derivative of a constant times the function, you can just leave the constant where it is and take the derivative of that function that follows. So to prove it, let's let g of x be a constant times f of x. And now we're going to take the derivative of g, which, as always, uses the definition. The derivative of g is, by definition, the limit as h approaches 0, g of x plus h minus g of x over h. So now we just think, okay, g of x is c times f of x, so g of x plus h is c times f of x plus h. G of x is c times f of x. So now you see you've got a common factor of c here, so we can factor that out. C times f of x plus h minus f of x over h. All right. And now I'm just going to pull this c outside the limit. Why can I do that? This c can just move through the limit and come outside? Yes, that's one of the limit laws. If you take the limit of something, constant times the function, then it's the same as the constant times the limit of that function, as long as the limit exists. And now this limit is the derivative. It is f prime of x. So as long as you can take the derivative of f, then it's true. The derivative of c times f is c times the derivative of f. Okay, so to say this limit exists, this limit law only applies if this limit exists, and to say this limit exists is just to say that f is differentiable at this value x you're considering. So wherever f is differentiable, its derivative, the derivative of a constant times that function, is equal to that constant times the derivative